Listen, I'ma deliver, okay? They got some good things up in here. I already got 2 items already. You won't believe what this book says. You won't believe what this book says. When I tell you synchronicity, that things are working out for you, you may not even believe it, but I can almost assure you everything is working out in your favor, child. I can assure you that. Have faith. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. Okay, so we are at the Dollar Tree in Jersey City on Journal Square, and we're going to see what they have inside. Hopefully they have some new stuff. I'm still looking for the candle, okay? Although I purchased one yesterday, I'm still looking for another one. So hopefully they have some good stuff. Let's see. Okay, so when you first walk in, they have these 16 large berries over here, $1.25. Absolutely love it. And then they also have the LED projector lights, which are $1.25 as well. Comes in 2 different colors, green and also a red. They also have a huge tablecloth selection over here, which these are $1.25. They also have a large napkin selection over here, 24 pieces for $1.25. Plates. Okay, let's see. So you get 14 pieces for $1.25. And then they also have the snowflake plates, $1.25. They also have the tablecloth that goes right with this. And then they also have the oven mitts. So, but I like the glass plates. You know, the porcelain plates is better to me. Okay, and then they also have the snowman. Okay, really cute. This is really cute for the holidays. You know, you don't want to be washing all them dishes when all your family and friends gonna come to your house, okay? All right? Now, they also have the placemats over here. These are $1.25 per one, okay? I told you guys last time that these are the dupes of Pottery Barn. So that's why they're $1.25 per one, okay? They also have these trays over here. Some of you guys may have seen these already. The Christmas tree and then a snowflake, $1.25. Great decorative, decorations for the holidays. Then they also have the ice cubes that comes in a various variety of different designs, okay? Honey, couldn't get the word out, okay? Really, really cute. Look at the snowman and a penguin. Then they also have, what is that? Oh, snowman and penguin. Really, really cute. Absolutely love it. They also have these pills right here, which are $1.25. Comes in different colors, designs. Really, really cute. Every time I see these ornaments, it does something to me, okay? Really, really cute. Look at this, okay? And the snow, oh gosh, look at the hats, honey. You guys know I'm a detail girl, so this is fancy, fancy, mancy, $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these ornaments right here that are $1.25. I absolutely like these because they have the bell here. Really, really good. Still deal like Holyfield. So a few minutes ago, I was on the phone with my oldest son, okay? Let me tell you something. Can I be honest with you? Whatever you have programmed in your subconscious mind, you are going to attract it, okay? If you are attracting things in your life that you don't like, it's because you have a programming going on in your subconscious mind, right? One of my programs is, I have to work hard, right, in order to be successful. Now, I've been reading the books and everything like that, but that thought is still here, okay? But in other news, and just another thing, right? If you are a person that's like all men are dogs, that's why you are attracting Fido, okay? If you saying all women cheat, that's exactly why you are attracting the cheaters, because you have that in your belief system. In other news, okay, so I had seen this book while I was on the phone with my son, and it said Godspeed, a novel by Nicholas, Butler. I am going to get this. Now, at first, I was in here to see if they had the candle, but honey, I like this. Okay, hopefully it's $1.25. Okay, so it don't appear that they have the candle over here that I'm looking for, but they have these candles. I don't think or recall seeing candles this shape. They don't really smell like nothing, these candles. Of course, they are $1.25, but they also have these wax melts. I love red and green so much. It goes together so well. This puts me in the mind when I was in grammar school, right? I went to a Catholic school, and our uniforms were green with a little yellow, and it had some red. And it's so funny because when I was in school, I used to hate those uniforms, right? But let's see how this smells. So this is crimson cranberry sugar pine pomelo. Let's see. Okay, this smells really good. Wow, and it says 6. Oh, I guess you cut them. This smells really good. Chow. Ah, so tempted. Okay, let me go to that other Dollar Tree. Well, you know what? Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Okay, so this Dollar Tree location, they have the hair styling comb. This is different. So as you are flat ironing your hair, okay, it has the thing that helps your hair stay in place. This is really good. $1.25, and they come in 2 different colors. Really cute. Cheaper than Amazon. You see these glass jars right here? Cheaper than Amazon, $1.25, and they have so many styles, so many designs. Absolutely love this. Really good. This location, they have the travel brushes. We had seen these, took a look at these a few days ago, and even yesterday. You get 3 pieces with the mirror included, and the colors they have is the pink and then the neon green. I think these mini sponges are so cute. So mini sponge 4-pack, $1.25. Honey, you could just toss these when you're done. Really cute. This Dollar Tree also have the disposable razor with the suction cup holder, $1.25. Real cute. Dollar Tree also have the value pack toothbrush set. So it's 5 toothbrushes you get for $1.25. Oral care, child. Makeup set. Okay, you've been waiting. I told you I'm gonna deliver, and let me tell you something. For the ones that's like, they don't have it. Ooh, child. This ain't nothing but the devil. Okay, I'll check that out in a few. But look. No. So they have this superstar. Highlighters squad. 4 different colors for $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree have the Guru Nada Breath Harmonizer. Child, they brought this to the Dollar Tree where I live at. They sold out so quick. I'm so tempted to get this. But, you know, I said 1 item per Dollar Tree, and I already have 2. So this gonna have to wait, okay? They also have this blister heal bandages, which are $1.25. Multi-day use. Heals promote faster healing, seals out water, dirt, germs, and other external contaminants. $1.25. This is a steal deal. How many of these you get? Oh, 4 count. Really good. Okay, family, let's go to checkout. This notebook is so cute. Keep on smiling. Keep on smiling. Really cute. And this is a journal. I absolutely love Dollar Tree journals. They are so good. Nice. And some of them don't have the lines in them, but this one definitely does. Cute. Okay, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what was your favorite item in there. Mine's was definitely this book, Godspeed. Really, the title alone, honey, got me.